Organizing and hosting an event, whether it's big or small, is truly a daunting task. Not only does it have to meet your goals, but also leaves a lasting and memorable impression. You might know that organizing any event requires a plan and attention to detail for every task. It's both exciting and interesting, right? However, many of the events fail due to poor planning. But the good news is that using the right approach and exceptional planning can make your event a true success. In this video, you'll explore the incredible 5 steps that turn your events into successful and memorable experiences. So, let's begin. Define your goals and target audience as a step of your planning. Think about the purpose of your event, who will attend, and what you want to achieve with your event. Whether it's connecting with people, celebrating success, raising awareness, or educating people, your objective will guide every decision. Also, identify your target audience for which you want to host an event. It can be social groups, youth communities, entrepreneurs, or health professionals. The next step is to plan your budget. Calculate the estimated cost for the entire event, including the venue, refreshments, marketing, promotion, or other needs. So, determine and plan your capital as part of your event planning checklist. And you know what? A detailed budget will be your roadmap to your financial control. Select your date, time, and venue. Consider the location according to your theme, space, parking areas, and other facilities. Remember that the right venue sets the tone for your event. Choose the time and date according to your attendees. Whether it should be on weekends, working days, in the daytime, or in the evenings. Go for the time and date that is convenient for your audience. Now it's time to promote your event through marketing. Your event won't be a success if no one knows about it. So, use the right marketing strategies on your social media and send emails, invitations, and newsletters to let people know about your event. Try to start your marketing from 8 to 6 weeks in advance to excite your attendees. Also, collaborate with influencers or sponsors to spread word of mouth. Isn't it a great idea? Lastly, execute your event. Now that you all have planned an awesome and thrilling event, make it happen for real. Make sure effective management is monitoring and managing all with responsibility. Clear your agendas on time. After the event goes well, ask for attendees' feedback to improve yourself for the next event. If you want to learn more about event planning, visit our website, inspirelondoncollege.co.uk.